Zimbabwe's political temperature has reached boiling point after Justice Minister and close Mnangagwa ally Ziyambi called for the arrest of Vice President Chiwenga, accusing him of treason, one of the most serious offenses under Zimbabwean law. Sanabana Mashuko Ziyambi calls for VP Chiwenga's arrest over treason allegations. Subscribe or like on the bell. Continue on our mobile. In a damning letter dated 17 September 2025, Ziyambi slammed a confidential dossier authored and presented by Chiwenga to President Mnangagwa, branding it fundamentally flawed, insightful, and treasonous. The Justice Minister charged that the Vice President's document amounted to an attempt to undermine a constitutionally elected president and to rekindle the appetite to return Zimbabwe to November 2017 in reference to military coup that ousted the late Robert Mugabe. Political observers warn that if the treason charge against Chiwenga is formally pursued, it could ignite the gravest power struggle in Zimbabwe's post-Mnangagwa era, testing not only ZANU-PF's internal cohesion, but also the resilience of the country's fragile constitutional order. Domash kwaripo muri Zimbabwe tiona vipi kosa tino Chiwenga vachithreateniwa vachinzi vanokwanisa kuarrestiwa. Mbudzi mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pema developments awa pinango message medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.